Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use or turn on OBS camera with Discord. So in this case you have to go here and go to your or open your OBS studio. After opening OBS studio, you can see here all my setup is done already. I have already added Discord here before. If you don't know how to add a Discord in OBS, just go to plus and go here, and you have to write here Discord, and then you can add here. If you click on OK, Discord will be added. Okay, so after that you have to go here. On the right side you will find start virtual camera. If you click on start virtual camera, your screen is recording. Now go back to your Discord, obviously, then go user settings and go voice and video. Just scroll down, user settings, scroll down and you'll find here voice and video. Click on voice and video and scroll down and you'll find here camera section. Just click on camera section and you can see here OBS virtual camera. Turn this on or select this, you're done. So now if you want to test camera or test video, you can see here your screen is recorded by the OBS. So let's go back to now a voice channel, any voice channel. Now turn on camera. Here's the OBS camera, turn on camera, and you can see here that your camera is turned on. If you want to off, here you can see one thing, you can use or switch your camera like this camera or OBS camera. If you want to off, just click on off or cancel it. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.